Dear students, in last video I have explained you how to solve problems using chain rule. Now in this video we will be solving some more problems on chain rule, and also I will be posting few practice problems related to chain rule. Okay, now let us see an example of chain rule. Y equal to cos of x square plus a square. Let y equal to cos of x square plus a square. Okay. Now by using chain rule, means by first method, I will explain the problem, and then by using second method I also explain the problem. Okay. We know that dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. So here y equal to cos of u. Consider y equal to cos of u. Okay. Y equal to cos of x square plus a square, and now we have considered y equal to cos of u, where u equal to this x square plus a square. Okay, where u equal to x square plus a square. Now according to chain rule we have to solve. That's why first find out dy by du, means differentiation of y with respect to u. Dy by du equal to differentiation of y with respect to u. So what is the y function? The y function is cos of u. Okay, that is differentiation of cos of u with respect to du. Okay, and differentiation of cos of u equal to, you know the formula of differentiation of cos of u. Differentiation of cos of u is minus sine of u. We know that the formula for differentiation of sine x, what is the formula? Differentiation of sine x with respect to x is cos x, and differentiation of cos x with respect to dx equal to minus sine of x. Similarly, differentiation of cos of u is minus sine of u. Here only the variable is u. The formula is same. Hence dy by du is minus sine of u. This is second. Okay. Now in this formula we have now dy by du. Now find out du by dx. Du by dx. Du by dx. That is differentiation of u with respect to x. And what is the u function? Here the u function is x square plus a square. By using addition rule, differentiation of u with respect to x is, that is equal to differentiation of x square with respect to x plus differentiation of a square with respect to x. Now differentiation of x square, we will find out this differentiation of x square by using the formula x raised to n. What is the differentiation of x raised to n? Differentiation of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. This is the formula. Differentiation of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Here n equal to 2. Okay, and therefore this is equal to 2 into x raised to n, means 2 minus 1, that is 2 into x raised to 1, and therefore this is 2x. Okay, so du by dx equal to differentiation of x square we have find out in this way by using differentiation of x raised to n formula, and that is equal to 2x. 2x raised to 1 means 2x. And now plus differentiation of a square with respect to x. See here we are differentiating with respect to x. Here the variable is a, and when we are differentiating a with respect to x, here a is constant number and a is constant number, that's why its derivative is 0, and hence this is the differentiation du by dx. This is 3. Now put the value of 2 and 3 in 1. We get dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. What is dy by du? Dy by du is minus sine of u into du by dx. Du by dx is 2x. Okay, and now at the last step put the value of u. What is the value of u? Minus sine of the value of u is x square plus a square into 2x, and this is dy by dx equal to. Hence in this way we have find out differentiation of y with respect to x. Now using second method we have to solve this problem. By second method the same problem we will solve. Okay, method 2. That is differentiation of y equal to cos of x square plus a square. Differentiate y with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x, and therefore dy by dx equal to differentiation of cos of x square plus a square with respect to dx. Now see here, this is a function of function. Okay, that is cos is the trigonometric function and cos is a function of x square plus a square, and therefore here in first step we differentiate first with respect to cos. Differentiate first cos, that is differentiation of cos is minus sin x, and by using this formula we will differentiate the cos function. And again cos is function of this, cos is function of x square plus a square, and this x square plus a square is again differential function, means that we can differentiate. So differentiation of cos of x square plus a square. In this step first we differentiate cos, then into differentiation of x square plus a square with respect to dx. Differentiation of x square plus a square with respect to dx. Okay, and differentiation of cos. We know the formula of differentiation of cos x. Differentiation of cos x is sin x minus sin x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Here the variable is x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Only instead of x here x square plus a square is there, and therefore that is x equal to x square plus a square in this differentiation. So by using this formula the differentiation is minus sine of x square plus a square. Cos of x square चा differentiation आहे minus sine of x square plus a square. Now again x square plus a square is differentiable function, and that's why again differentiate into differentiation of x square with respect to dx plus differentiation of a square with respect to x, and this is equal to into x squareचं डिफरन्सिएशन by using x raised to n formula, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. n is 2 here and 2 into x raised to n minus 1 is 2x, and plus differentiation of a square with respect to differentiation of a square with respect to x, but a is the constant number, that's why differentiation is 0, and this is equal to minus sine of x square plus a square into 2x. This is differentiation of y with respect to x, and in this way, by using second method, we can solve the problem. This method is not so lengthy, whereas the first method is lengthy. You can solve by any method. दोघांपैकी कुठल्याही मेथडने एक्झामला सुद्धा तुम्ही प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करू शकतात, पण सेकंड मेथड ही जास्त पटकन होते. नंबर ऑफ प्रॉब्लेम्स आपण ह्याच्याने सॉल्व करू शकतो. ओके.